But before that, I wanted to take a look at something we haven't mentioned yet, which is the Expo Gallery.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know if anyone in watching the stream has actually been there this year. It's looking amazing, like
Yep.
super super good. And I think if we can just whenever we find a minute or two throughout the day, we can just keep dipping into it and looking at more bits.
Yeah.
If that'd be so cool.
This is the Expo Gallery. You can download this from expo.falmouth.games, the website, and we'll keep dipping into this and take a look at different sections throughout the day. So this is an amazing piece worked on by Phoebe, Jamie Jessup, Matt, and James. And they have worked their tiny little socks off for the past few weeks, and I believe there's been some seriously late nights getting in all of the art assets from students.
Yeah.
And Jamie and Phoebe have done an incredible job on the environment.
I think the environment itself is a thing that you should go and look at. And then inside of the environment, we've got 3D sculpts, we've got 2D artwork, we've got 3D environments that you can go inside of, we've got animations. It's a really, really cool interactive place to be, and such a great way of showing off some work.
Yeah.
I've got a feeling that this kind of thing is going to be used a lot for a lot of different applications. So go and check it out. Go have a look. It's so cool.
Yeah. And
that is so cool. Whoa.
Big thanks to James Hellman for his incredible bug fixing yesterday.
Yeah, bless him. With his big smiley face, pretending like everything is okay when it's all falling apart.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll dip back into this and have a look at other areas
sure.
later, but we just wanted to throw this in your face a little bit.
Yep.
Expo.falmouth.games to download it. Go back to the Expo Gallery and show you guys a little bit more of that. Going to plug this again. Make sure you go and download it at expo.falmouth.games. This is absolutely awesome. So this is a project that we started last year with the first iteration of the Expo Gallery. And we've taken it up to an insane degree this year. So we're showcasing off some art and animation in here. So this is a really great way that we've been able to showcase some work that doesn't fit as easily into a game, some solo projects. I wanted to show you, if I can remember where it is in the gallery. You can see there's some lovely artwork on the walls. And showing off some really nice environment assets in the middle of the gallery floors. I wanted to show you one particular scene that looks absolutely stunning. This is Crystal's diorama. And there's lots of scenes that you can check out to see some student work in here. But this one I think I've had some really great comments about. And huge shout out to Phoebe, James, Jamie, and Matt for all the work they've put in on this. And it's really exciting because this year I've actually managed to get the student scenes actually running in engine on here. Another really cool one is by Zion and Cameron, who've made this really stunning cel-shaded level. And I'm absolutely loving the shader and the texture work on here, and the lighting as well. Really, really, really nice. And the clouds. Love the clouds. Really, really cool. The other thing I wanted to show is a collaboration between a bunch of Games Academy students and the Amata department, which is a motion capture work. And I'm just gonna play this. This is a few minutes long, and enjoy.
Maybe we go up and have, as soon as you have your favorite animator sat next to you, maybe we'll go have a look at some of those animations up top. You have another agenda, don't you?
You're not my favorite animator.
Doesn't matter. I'm sat next to you.
And it's a bit awkward.
Yeah, we'll get up there now. Just get up there.
I just want to go downstairs to...
That wall art, though. There's too many things to look at.
I feel bad for like blitzing.
It's really bad. I know. I really want to go back to that wall art.
I just wanted to show you the life drawing section, and like I know Nate,
so cool.
Nate Bedford, who I somehow managed to forget to mention earlier, who's worked incredibly hard on this as well, along with the other guys, has curated this section on life drawing, and there's been some wonderful work put in, and it's so nice to actually integrate life drawing with the stuff that we're doing at EXPO.
Yeah.
Because life drawing is a huge part of the game art courses.
Sure. Like fundamental to so many other digital things that are put on top.
Yeah.
This is cool. I really like that that bed scene there.
Yeah, really cool. Great stuff. And come on, let's go and have a little look at
go on.
The animators.
Go see my team.
I think they are. Oh! How can I forget this?
Yeah, just lurking away in the corner.
The first time I played this, I came around the corner and I was like, "Oh my god!" That is really,
some
really
good
cool.
work. It's crazy detail.
I also need to say, if you hover over one of the banners next to the exhibits, if you hit E or X on a controller, it will take you to that person's portfolio.
Yeah, the expo is slick this year, like super slick.
So yeah, guys, please go check this out.
Oi.
This is really good stuff. This is really cool. I love having this like come out into the space.
I know you're a fan of this one.
Joe James.
Is that JJR?
Yeah, well done.
Good work, my boy.
Eric's got some mocap.
So this was from the team up with Amata.
Yeah, this is the film that we showed earlier.
Yeah. So I forget which dancer it is, but one of the dancers, and Eric took her work and just kind of like turned it into one of his pieces as a solo thing.
Really nice.
Super cool.
And Andre.
So I don't know if he's in chat. I hope he's in chat, but he went through many, many iterations of this, sharing it loads in the guild chat, asking everyone for critique and just putting it out there. Give me some feedback. And he had loads, went through loads of iterations. And this is like Doomfist crossed with Zaya. Like that's all I can feel. Like badass.
Right. There's more we haven't looked at, but download this.
We need to motor on.
Yeah. would you like to show us your favorite areas, Rich? You haven't. I don't think.
You were Master in Chief earlier. You know, all I'm gonna do is just go straight to animation.
We've seen the animations, mate.
Well, I'm an animator, so I'm just gonna go back to this one.
Never told me that.
All right, just come back that. All right. So have you been? Where did you go? Did you go up, down?
We might not have been upstairs.
Shall we go upstairs? Okay. I do love this space. It's such a great job. Oh, okay. So upstairs.
Yeah. These are hidden areas.
This is new building works. It's just a viewing platform. Yeah. Okay, we need to go back downstairs.
One of the things that people always commented on about the gallery last year was they really liked just jumping everywhere and trying to land on exhibits in the gallery.
Oh, so we've only got a small jump.
Yeah,
small jump.
Well, you can jump from the balconies up there.
Oh, damn it! I missed a trick. I'm actually enjoying just having a little look at the gallery itself. This is beautiful work, by the way, guys. And we kept dashing past this. Yeah. I'm like, that's an incredible piece of artwork. So I'm just. And if you click E when you go into the gallery yourself, you get taken to the ArtStation page. So you can check out all of the artists' work just literally by just going close and clicking E, and you get straight in there. That's some incredible work. There's some great work.
Some great stuff.
We've already seen him, Scary Boy.
I think he is by far my favorite.
I like that you came around the corner and got freaked out by him. And
did you?
No.
Oh,
no.
Right. Fine.
Yeah, exactly. I think maybe
I'm
just
a child.
Because I'd already found out about it from you. Okay, so we went in there earlier, and that is an incredible space, just incredible. I missed the opportunity to chat about the cell shading. Who we got here now? Chris Copeland. Okay, so this is
really cool.
Another kind of bedroom scene, but far more towards cyberpunk, but not cyberpunk. We haven't quite made it that far into the future yet.
It's semi-future, I think.
I'd say it's got future lighting.
Yeah, really cool.
So I've got a feeling that we can't be in the gallery for too long.
No,
because we have a lot.
We
of
are
other
being
things
told to move on.
Okay, we should. Okay, I will quit the gallery now.